as the U.S. Supreme Court extends a temporary freeze on a new controversial immigration law down in Texas. That was supposed to go into effect today. The law would allow Texas police to arrest migrants accused of entering the country illegally. Jorge Ventura joins us live. Jorge, so what does all this mean and this pause mean in this latest federal versus state showdown?
Yeah, that's right, Markie. Today's pause actually coming in surprise. It's supposed to be one of the state's toughest immigration laws in U.S. history. That pause right now is extending till March 18th. Now, this extension does give the courts more time to deliberate on what opponents are saying would be one of the toughest immigration laws enacted since the Arizona 2012 law that was partially shut down by Supreme Court. Now, if SB 4 is enacted, it will enable law enforcement officials in the state of Texas to inquire about individuals' immigration status during routine stops and make arrests. Texas Board of Sheriffs telling NewsNation now, despite this delay, they are ready to enforce this new law.
See myself doing anything different than I already do. And what I mean by that is once I apprehend people I suspect of being here in the state illegally, I get in touch with Border Patrol and they come out and they take possession of them.
It's going to benefit especially those that are along the border. A lot of these issues that are surfacing are on those that really don't have the concept as to what we go through on a daily basis down here. We're not trying to target anything, but it is illegal to come between the port of entries for sure.
Just days ago, various organizations gathered for a significant rally outside the state capitol in Austin, urging Governor Abbott to stop SB 4 along Operation Lone Star, which is a multi-agency effort that has led to over 500,000 illegal immigrant apprehensions. Now, this Supreme Court extension is going to until March 18th. Sources telling me don't be surprised if that extension goes longer. What is also interesting is these border sheriffs say they are ready to enact this law now, but do admit that there could be some operational challenges when it comes to apprehending these migrants and then taking them to local jails as of right now, Markie.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.